Oh, hello, hello. This is Adrienne, CapricornTigress of Astrology, a look inside.com. And I'm coming to make a very special recording because I wanted to do this before it's upon us. I mean, once it's upon us, it's too late. So we're right in the middle of Lionsgate. And I'm sure you've probably seen some other videos regarding Lionsgate, but it's my responsibility to come and talk about it as well and to give my take on it and to provide some type of meditation to help you get the most out of this Lionsgate. You know, I've had a couple of really amazing August 8th, like around this time of the year. Now, I have to admit it, I'm often kind of sad around this time of the year because my mother was born July 27th, and she died in my home back in 2007. So I often find myself in tears during this cycle, but I always seem to come out of it once I get past her birthday. Things seem to perk up. They start to perk up. There's like pre-Lionsgate and then there's post-Lionsgate. And so I do feel that there is something magical with the energies of Lionsgate. And I had picked up, you know, some things that I've seen around about Lionsgate, and I just wanted to share those. So one, of course, is the amazing energies. And that Lionsgate opens every year from July 26th to August 12th. 8/8 is known as, you know, at least I always think of 8/8, but it is till August 12th. This portal is a multi-dimensional astrological alignment that joins our Earth while initiating energies of Sirius. And to us, the star Sirius is a higher dimensional sun that informs our sun. Our sun is a lower dimensional expression of Sirius. And they work in tandem with each other as a part of a trinity of suns to link our consciousness with the higher worlds. So when these stars align, it imbues an incredible spiritual force upon humanity, and it's called Lionsgate. So one of the things here is, you know, a lot of people don't know that Lionsgate, the Lionsgate portal aligns exactly with a sacred earth cycle point on 8/8, which is why we always hear of Lionsgate 8/8. And it's one of the handful of times that this happens, where we align and the wisdom of this grounded ascension is open to us. So this is more than a traditional understanding of the Lionsgate and the sacred season point. So there are two main houses that are in union at this point of the year, with the other houses coming in their ascent aspects together. And most people only focus on one or the other, but aligning them in harmony unlocks the next level of understanding your own journey. It is a grounded ascension point. So what is going on and what are the lessons being opened up to us? Um, the house soul star governs the galactic and multidimensional wisdom outside of time and space. And house earth song governs the sacred medicine of deep relationships and the natural world around us on this plane, including the cycles of the world. And blended together, it calls for a true connection of all parts and aspects of you. And to prepare for this time, give yourself space to be in the now moment and to expand your sacred duality and wholeness. What is calling forth from all houses? Heart light calls for deep, sacred compassion. Night star, the shadow and sovereignty you hold, and fire mine your passion and drive to concrete in this life. Now, I had picked this up, and I can't remember who this was who had posted it, but it touched me. So I had copied it and I wanted to share it with you, but I can't recall who it was who originally posted that. I just wanted to make sure I gave a shout out that, I didn't actually create that.
Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.